Greetings and welcome all lovers. Welcome to my channel, the Empress Sheba. Hi, I'm Sheba. Here on my channel, I love to show my hair journey, my garden, which I have made a separate channel for, but I still will have plenty of footage here on this channel. That channel is Jahseeds Gardens. I also love to put up some music vibes since I am a musician. My instruments being guitar, vocals, piano, and engineering. I do have a separate channel for my music. It is Jahseeds Ancestors. I also have music on SoundCloud under the Empress Sheba. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for staying tuned. I appreciate you for being. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please consider subscribing if you love hair videos. If you are a new subscriber, which I do see you new subscribers here, I want to thank you so much. I want to thank you so very much. I appreciate you for it. Please help my channel to get in the algorithm by liking my videos. That would be so awesome. This video I'm making in response to a comment on my last video. Yay! I love the interaction. Please talk to me nicely. Leave a comment, ask questions if any cross your mind. I would love to answer them. The comment that has stirred up all the excitement is by Kims_Wims. Hey girl. And it says, so we keep some parts and when needed, change styles and keep moisturized. When do we wash? ... In the past 6 months, I've been trying to stretch the time between my wash days, which is typically every 7 days. The longest I've been able to stretch it is 10 days. And when I say wash day, it's not always with just shampoo and conditioner. Always conditioner though, for sure. I always give my hair extra, like herbs or food. My hair is very bougie, and it loves the best juices, berries, fruits, and veggies in it. All of that to say, I'm washing my hair at least every 10 days. However, I am wetting my hair every day, even if it's only at the tips of my ends. My hair is getting water on it. My hair is getting aloe in it, or herb tea, or water-based leave-in. Honestly, I feel my hair is never dirty. With the products I use, my hair just gets nourished, not build up so much. I really love feeding my hair more so than stripping it clean. By the way, the same goes for my scalp. In this video are some of my hair wash day routines, which I've definitely done in the past 6 months. The first wash was avocado, banana, aloe with herbs, blend and strain. Second is okra leaf gel, which I will be harvesting some leaves all now before the season is over. Third was bentonite clay. I've done at least once in the past 6 months. Then there's aloe leaf gel. I've used the most, along with herb tea rinses, ACV rinses, and Trader Joe's tea tree shampoo and conditioner. I've also done cactus gel, which I've done a couple times in the past 6 months. So, keep some parts, check. When needed, change style, check. Definitely keep moisturized, check. And wash routine is basically a feed hair routine every 7 to 10 days. Check. Stay tuned in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. I thank you so much. Be bliss.